Hey, it's Mr. Johns. Welcome back to SketchUp for 3D design. Next step in our house is the bathrooms, plural. So this is what I expect to see in a bathroom, and that would be a sink with a countertop, hot and cold handles with a faucet for the water and a drain in the bottom, and then um, a storage underneath with some cupboard doors here. The more realistic you can make it, the better. So it's always good to give everything just a little bit of 3D if you can do it. Um, although the countertop, so this countertop typically hangs out over. Maybe I should push those in, but the countertop hangs out over the base, and then there we go. That looks a little bit better. So, all right, again, let me zoom in, zoom out. All right, so we have a sink with the faucet. We have cupboards underneath and a mirror. So that's what you would expect if you're looking at a brand new house. This minimum setup per bathroom. So you'll have to do that for each bathroom, and it's kind of a custom job. Every bathroom is going to be a different size, and so right now. Um, we're just going to work on bathrooms. And so I've got toilet, a shower, and then a sink over here. And I believe, although I don't see a sink there. Anyway, I've got to figure that out. So today's challenge is bathrooms. So we're working on every bathroom. You might have two or three, depending on the size of your house. I think I've got a master bath, a shared bath, and a guest bath, which is called a powder room, but it really is just a sink and a toilet. So it's not a lot, but don't forget the little details. Um, like the medicine cabinets that are typically over a sink. There's always a mirror, something for even guests to look into when they're washing their hands. And all right, so bathrooms, let's check in and see how mine are looking. I've got three bathrooms. What I'm looking for, I had some issues. I've got some issues here. Don't look too closely. So I'm not finished with this particular bathroom, but what I'm looking for is completed bathrooms. So let's take a look at bathroom number one. This is a shared bathroom for the kids. So what I have is, and what I'm looking for from you, some kind of color on the wall. I just went pale yellow. I need mirrors above each sink, a sink with a drain and on-off uh, handles with a faucet where the water comes out, cabinets underneath, tile on the floor, a toilet. Now this is purely custom, just just a circle and a couple rectangles, and I think I figured out even a better way. That's fine. And I didn't download one, so it didn't slow my computer down. So here's the second one. So when I grade yours, I'm looking for flooring. Uh, the walls are painted. Oh, I missed that one. So looking for that light pale yellow. Bink. There we go. A mirror above the sink and cupboards down below, painted. So I can, if you paint them, it's just easier for me to see them and give you a good grade. Okay, so that's bathroom number one. Bathroom number two was a guest bath. I did a little bit of modification because there wasn't room for a toilet. So again, tile on the floor, painted walls, doors, a door. Same stuff here: mirror, sink, faucet, drain, cupboard down below, toilet. This time I put the circle for the toilet closer to the tank, and it gives it, even though it's not an oval, it gives it maybe the illusion of being more of a toilet seat. I don't know. It's fine. So there's a finished bathroom. Master bath. Oh, flooring. So don't forget flooring. How do you get flooring? Well, I don't have it over here yet, so I'm just going to show you. I also don't have the mirror yet, and the cupboard. So here's the toilet again, and um, to get flooring, you have to make sure the floor is a shape. And so sometimes I just redraw a section, and then you want tile in the bathroom, so that you never want carpet in a bathroom because of the water and the leaks possible. So go to tile, pick a tile that you think would look good. Oh, that's terrible. In the bathroom, it doesn't matter, but pick a tile that will look good. And you have to have a solid floor. So over here, easiest way to do that maybe is just to divide up, just draw a line across. And sometimes you get lucky and you don't have to redraw much. See, so that went right into the shower room. So I'm going to use that same tile. And after I do that, I can delete these lines that don't look so great. So I got tile on the floor. While I'm here, I'll show you how I do my cupboards. Notice that my tile here, my countertops, marble countertops, I just draw a line and pull it out so it's hanging over just a little bit. And then down below, I highlight it, go to the offset tool, click the offset tool once, and then make one big door. And then you can divide it up however many times you want. So with the pencil tool, find the midpoint, which will turn blue right there. Go straight down blue right there. And then you could divide that up again if you wanted to, because this is a pretty big countertop. Make sure it's blue. Go straight down. So there we have 4 kind of cupboard doors underneath the sink. And then we always want to give it some illusion of 3D. So whatever we can pull out, push in, we always want to do that just a little bit. And then I just paint those brown. Don't forget the, let's see, that'd probably be brown too. That's up to you. So make sure you paint all of those. And oh, let me zoom back in if I can. Missed a spot right there, and then click off. So you can see how that looks. I'm not, oops, I didn't mean to do that. I'm not doing handles. Not going to bother to do handles on the cupboards. And then the last thing I need is a mirror, and that's pretty simple. It's again just this is one big mirror. To do trim, we love the offset tool because you can, let's highlight that first. There we go. Offset tool gives you instant trim like that. And then I can pull the trim out like that, And then I could paint that the same color as the cupboards down below, maybe. Or whatever color I want, doesn't really matter. And then, of course, we need mirror. So that'd be under glass, G glass. And then mirror is like a silver metallic. I don't know. I don't love their mirror, but that is what it is. So there is the finished bathroom. And because I've got a shower, double sink, cupboards, mirror, toilet, and wallpaper. So we're good there. And those are the 3 bathrooms. So that would be the next step. So 3 bathrooms are finished, and we're moving on. So there we go. Keep up the good work. Catch you next time for now. Mr. Johns is out.